Welcome back to the Getting Started with LBR Easy and iKUKA video series. In the first part, I showed you just how easy and fast it is to get the robot unboxed, set up, and booted, only a matter of minutes. In this second part, I'd like to take a good look at the new user interface. Right here, I'm looking at the 3D visualization screen, and already you can see the new design paradigm. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the major elements that can be adjusted, and on the right-hand side of the screen is where you would do the adjustments in the parameters area. Around it, you have some hard keys, which I can use for jogging. I'll show you that right now. I can move it forward and backwards and up and move it down. But because this robot is a cobot, it has force torque sensors on every axis, which makes it easy to hand guide it to also move it. Hand guiding is very useful for things like programming, which I'll show you later. To hand guide it, all you have to do is reach in, grab the command ring, press the button, wait for the safety to release, and then you can simply move it anywhere you want. With this robot, smooth hand guiding even allows one-handed movement. Back here at the 3D visualization screen, I can get a good idea in a really quick way of how the robot knows its own environment. I can pinch and zoom it, I can rotate it, and I can even click on any of these points, which are the program points that exist in the program I'll show you in a minute. When I click on it, over here in the parameters area, I get a good look at where that point is and what the coordinates are in that 3D environment. On this same screen, I can look at the setup area. In the setup area, I can configure things like inputs and outputs and the tools and even safety. In this case, I'll look at the gripper, which is the only tool connected to this robot right now. In this gripper screen, I can see the different parameters of the gripper, and I can even look at the different setups for the signals. I can see whether I can open it and close it, and then I can look at how those signals are mapped into that gripper. In addition, if I want to look at different inputs and outputs that are available to the system, I can look here. This shows all the different inputs and outputs. I can even look at the signals area and map the different signals to the different physical inputs and outputs. This robot comes pre-configured with safety, so it's not something you need to worry about in the first step, but should you need to change it, you do it right here. Last but not least, I want to show you the new smart programming method from KUKA. It's based around a program tree. So here you can see the program tree with all the nodes collapsed. Each of these different lines is a node, and if I open it up, you'll see what's in that node. In this case, what you see is the move from a home position to a pick position, where in a simple pick and place application, it'll pick up a block and move it somewhere else. Here you see that right before it moves to the other location, I have to close the gripper. Then this is the move that would take it to the place where it's going to place the object, and then it would open the gripper. And the last one is a move back to home. For any of these points, I can click on it, and then over in the parameters area, I can make adjustments as needed. In the next video, I'll show you more details about how to do your own program in this new smart programming method. It's really straightforward, and in that video, we'll take this block and we'll make the robot move it back and forth across the table from one point to another. Thanks for watching.
Industrial intelligence.